Gardening Spirit Boosters, look at the fabulous rosemary. It is still hanging in there from last year, a few months ago, because I told y'all, if y'all remember, I struggle to keep rosemary growing. But anyway, rosemary looks fabulous. And guess what? It's Rosemary's spa day. I guess I gotta keep the camera this way. Yeah, I'm doing a spa day for Miss Rosemary here. She is continuing to grow and she's lush. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy Rosemary is lush. She smells delicious. And I don't have my lazy Susan to help me turn this thing around, so I have to do it with my hand, y'all. And look how lush she is. She's getting taller. Like I say, rosemary likes to be bound. Rosemary is sassy. She doesn't like to be loose and sloppy in a big old pot. She wants to be tightly wound, and when she knows that's what's going on, she's comfortable, she will cooperate and grow for you. Well, grow for me. I'm loving it. Look how green she is. So luscious, Miss Rosemary. Ooh, I used to have a big old rosemary and I killed her for some kind of way. I even had a birthday party for her. She had got so big. She was bigger than 3 basketballs. But this rosemary is about the size of a nice size small watermelon. One of them little seedless round watermelons. That's how big this rosemary is now. But I love her so much. I love how lush she is. But this is her getting a spa day. She's all clean. Her leaves are clean. She smells so good. What little bit I can smell, my sense of smell is slowly coming back. It's on and off still. And my taste buds. Since I had that virus, y'all know Miss Janita was sick. I was missing in action. I wasn't making videos. I wasn't supporting nobody. I'm back, and hopefully you all will support me back. We do teamwork. We don't compete with each other, but we just help support each other's channel and help each other's channel grow and be loved and watched. That's right. That's why I'm here, letting y'all see Miss Rosemary in her spa day. She's watered, she's clean, she's loving her environment, she's loving being bound up, tightly wound, fitting up against this inside of the planter pot I have her in, beautiful pink pot. Now she's going back outside. She don't care, she like it out there in that Southern California weather. Miss Rosemary loves it out there. She ain't got no problem. She ain't got no problem. I'm gonna let y'all in on something in case some of y'all don't know. When your channel becomes monetized, when they start paying you for the videos, I was told you got to go 8 minutes in order to get credit. Now, if you guys know different, let me know, because I should have took a picture of that. I don't know if I did or not, but anyway, it left a comment. YouTube left a comment talking about you need to be making 8-minute videos if you want credit. Now, if you guys know different, let me know, because it's like different rules. It seems like it's different rules and stuff for different people on here. And it's confusing, because if some folks can do this and it don't matter, then why do they not tolerate other folks for doing the same thing? It's just crazy. But I want to know from you guys what rules you guys know about YouTube, if you want to share, if you're going through the same thing. Like I might have up like 5-6 videos at a time. Now I'm noticing I'm trying to watch 5-6 videos at a time, and I'm noticing the speed has been slowed. I don't know if that's my computer. Maybe it might be my computer. I need a new computer. But anyway, I got to watch. Since if you got more than 50 subscribers, you got to do something in order to watch 300-400 people videos. That's a lot of people. And if you got more than one channel, that's a lot of people. So you have to come up with some great ideas in order to support your subscribers. support your people that keep supporting you. And they know too, if they got a lot of subscribers, they know that you might not be able to physically with your eyeballs watch the whole thing, but you can let it run and still just like their video, share their video. I do a lot of sharing, I do a lot of liking, because I enjoy this community. I love my gardening family. I love that I am accepted finally into a community that gardens. Because these big time, okay, it's just a community where you belong. Like, this is the one where I belong, because I've tried other ones, but anyway, this is where I get the most love in the plant. People that do plants and have small gardens. And I have a few people that have large gardens that stick with Miss Janita and support me no matter what, if I have a big garden or not. I have a few big gardeners that do come over here and support my channel, and I appreciate them. Thank you guys so much. But as you continue to make videos on this YouTube thing, you guys gonna learn the ins and outs, the ups and downs, disappointments, disappointments and happy days when things go well. So don't get discouraged. You got to keep working at it. You got to support other channels. You can't just think you're going to come in here and make a video and everybody going to watch it and you don't go to their channel. You have to go and support the other people. That's just how it is. You got to put in the work. You got to give love to get love. And I know that from experience. And I love this gardening community. You guys are fabulous. I love your channels. I got so many people that I'm in love with in this community. So many excellent channels doing so many beautiful things with their plants. They have tips, ideas, skills. They are so smart and creative. They make potters. They design stuff. This community is awesome, and I love being here. Thank you guys for accepting Miss Janita. Tears, crying. I love it over here. Thank you guys. Celebration. I got to see when I first made my channel and see if I'm coming up on a year in a few months. But my channel is slowly growing, and I appreciate all of you that have stuck and hung in there with me and kept my channel subscribed and keep supporting me, because I'm definitely going to keep supporting you. As long as you keep supporting me, I'm keep supporting you, because I like supporting people that support back. And I know you guys know what I mean. Love you. Thank you. And happy gardening, Gardening Spirit Boosters.